Welcome to the Brook and Rivulet, a stunning residential complex spread across 12.5 acres of perfectly situated land in Sector 12, Greater Noida West. This premium project boasts a magnificent combined front of 350 meters and is a three-side open plot overlooking a 130-meter wide road. Come, let's go inside and check the sample flat. The Brook is a luxurious residential complex spread across 5 acres of land and features 7 magnificent towers. This remarkable project will be delivered in 2 phases. The first phase, Brook Phase 1, was launched in July 2022 and comprises 3 impressive towers, namely A, B and C. These towers offer 384 units of 2, 3 and 4 BHK homes in various sizes, 1,115 square feet to 2,000 square feet. The Rivulet is another grand residential complex that spans over 7.5 acres of land featuring 10 impressive towers, also to be delivered in 2 phases. The first phase, Rivulet Phase 1, is set to launch soon, comprising 6 grand towers, namely K, L, M, S, T and U. These towers offer a staggering 816 units of 3 and 4 BHK homes available in 3 distinct sizes. Both phases are based on the format of basement plus podium plus 24 floors, 1st to 24th, and the upcoming phases of the Brook and Rivulet will be launched in the coming months. In pursuit of our goal to provide the finest finish possible, we have partnered with S-Form, a world-renowned company based in South Korea, and Indian players like MFS for all our aluminium formwork needs. Maivan Shuttering, a modern construction technology involving prefabricated aluminium formwork panels, allows us to cast walls, slabs and other structural elements with not only precision and efficiency, but also a higher speed, allowing for early processing. With our experience of team and advanced techniques, we are committed to delivering exceptional results for your project. We are excited to introduce our latest addition to the building, Luxury Terrace Gardens. These gardens are designed to provide a luxurious and relaxing atmosphere for the residents of the building. With direct access from lifts, you can step into these gardens and enjoy the many amenities they have to offer. These gardens are equipped with a range of amenities that cater to your every need. We have a mini golf course, an advanced telescope, glass pavilion, a cricket bowling machine, an outdoor gym, a jogging track, a vertical garden, a yoga lawn and a bonfire pit. In addition to these amenities, we also have gym locker facilities and pergolas and gazebo seating for your convenience. We have also taken measures to ensure that the floors are noise and heat proof. We have an extra layer of 3-inch concrete flooring which is covered with tile flooring, natural gardens and artificial turf based on different purposes. Apart from the Luxury Terrace Gardens, we also have 2 magnificent clubs, Pebble Castle and Paper Boat, each for the Brook and Rivulet. These clubs offer an array of luxurious amenities to cater to your every need. The grandeur of Pebble Castle and the serene charm of Paper Boat make them the perfect places to unwind, relax, and indulge in some much-needed recreation. As soon as you step into these clubs, you are greeted with a triple-height grand lobby that exudes luxury and sophistication. Pebble Castle and Paper Boat offer indoor gyms, swimming pools, decks, changing and shower rooms, kids' play areas, co-working spaces, cards rooms, billiards rooms, table tennis rooms, and indoor games spaces. Indulge in some self-care with the jacuzzi, steam and sauna facilities that are available at both clubs. Pebble Castle and Paper Boat also offer 2 guest rooms each with attached toilets for your convenience. The club's terraces are the perfect spots to soak up the sun or simply enjoy a beautiful view of the surroundings. These are more than just clubs. They are the epitome of luxury, style and comfort. With these amenities, you're sure to have an unforgettable experience every time you visit. Let's start with the specification of the unit. The living and dining areas. The walls and ceiling are finished with OBD in pleasing shades and the flooring is vitrified tiles. There's also a provision for DTH connection ONT. Moving on to the bedrooms, they also have finished walls and ceiling and wooden textured tiles flooring in the master bedroom. Vitrified tiles flooring in other bedrooms. Finished walls and ceiling. The toilets and sanitary areas have finished walls and ceilings. Ceramic tiles on walls up to door level. Anti-skid ceramic tiles flooring. White sanitary ware with WC, CP, fittings and mirror in all toilets. The doors and windows are made up of aluminium powder-coated external doors. The kitchen has a granite working top with a stainless sink and designer ceramic tiles up to 600 mm above the working counter. Lastly, the structural safety features an earthquake-resistant RCC structure in aluminium framework with a floor-to-floor height of 3100 mm. We hope that you will take advantage of these facilities and make the most of your time in our building. With such grandeur and comfort, the Brook in Rivoli is the perfect place for those seeking luxury and tranquility. Thank you for considering the Brook and Rivoli as your future home. Our apologies for making your neighbors jealous.